Today we'll talk about how can you change password on your Sonic app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on account. So then it's going to take us to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on profile. Then it's going to take you to this list. You go down here and you click here on change password. So when you click here on change password, then it's going to show for you list like this. You click here on email me the link. So when you just click on it, then it's going to take you to change your password on your Sonic app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.